Hello friends, hola amigos, ahora vamos a jugar con estas canicas. Today we're going to play with these marbles. Ooh, they make so much noise, it's so loud, hace mucho ruido. Let's take a look at them. Oh, mira. This one is blue. It has blue inside. Whoop. Tiene azul adentro. Whoa, this one have different colors. Hacen ruido. Tiene diferentes colores and they make noise. Wow. They're so sparkly. Brillan. Let's put them here. This one has yellow. Este tiene el color amarillo. Wow, so beautiful. Es muy hermosa. Wow, this one looks like fire. Será como que tiene fuego. Wow. This one's green. Este es verde. Wow. Oh, one more. Una más. This one has a lot of little colorful spots or dots. Esta tiene colores, puntitos de diferentes colores. Wow. Oh. Noise. Let's put them here. Whoa, that is very loud. So loud. I wonder what would happen if we put water in them. You want to find out? Okay. ¿Qué pasa si ponemos agua? Ooh. Got water. Agua. Oop. Let's see what happens. You think it's gonna sink or float? ¿Se va a hundir o va a flotar? Wow. It's sunk.
Wow.
Se hundió. Let's see. What about the little ones? Are they going to sink or float? ¿Se van a hundir o van a flotar? ¿Listos? Plup, 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 plup. They still make noise, but they didn't float. They're all sinking. Can you put it here? Whoa. Oh, let's put more water. ¿Más agua? Whoa. Ooh, you can see the colors better now. Los colores se ven más. Brillan. Mira. We can still hear the noise they make. Siempre podemos escuchar el ruido que hacen, el sonido. Wow. Okay, some nice marbles. Aquí tengo otras. Wow. Otras pelotitas. I have some other little balls. Whoa. Oh, do they make noise? They make a little noise. Hacen ruido, pero es poquito, no como las otras. They're not as loud as the other ones. Oh, I lost one. Got it. These ones are soft. Little squishy. Son suaves y las puedes apretar un poquito. The other ones were hard. You could not squish them at all. Las otras eran bien duras y no las podías aplastar o apretar así como estas. Whoa, these ones bounce back. Whoa, 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 whoa. You think these ones would sink or float? ¿Crees que estas se van a flotar o se van a hundir? Let's try it. Ooh, okay. And, oh, it's floating. Está flotando. Hay que ver las otras. Oh. Yay. Todas están flotando. They're all floating. Mira. These ones are not floating. They're sunk. Se hundieron. But these ones are floating. They're not going all the way to the bottom. Estas flotan, no se van al fondo y las otras sí. Wow. These ones are a lot quieter. Estas son más silenciosas, no hacen tanto ruido como las otras. Yeah. Whoa. Let's take them out. All right. Okay, come play with me. These are big ones. These ones are small. Wow. Look, all these pretty colors. Mira todos los colores, muy bonitos.
Wow.
This one's orange.
What color is that one? ¿Qué color es?
Oops. It's purple.
Es morado. Yeah.
Maybe I'll find another one. Get this one.
Ooh, esa tiene muchos colores. That one's colorful.
What's another one?
Yeah. Can you find another purple one? Una morada?
Maybe I'll get this one. This one has no color.
Oh.
But it does have colors inside. Oh, let's get this one. Bigger one. Wow. A lot of bigger ones. There's three of them. But there's a lot of them.
Cámara.
Oh, let's get this one.
Ooh, yeah.
I want to get this one. Wow, we really did this one. It would have. Let's get this one. That's it. Wow. Yeah, that's neat. Oops, some milk chocolate. I'll break it into some mommy. Nice! Whoa! Let's see what comes with it. I got these. Go, go, go. Whoa. Look at you. Oh, pretty cute. Go away. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you for being with us today. We'll see you next time.
Nos vemos a la próxima. Bye bye.